Do not judge me on my paint job, because I don't give a shit. It's gonna work. Hey guys, it's Steven with Automotive Customs. I painted the Blazer. Got about $100, maybe 120 in it with sandpaper and all. Yeah, so I sanded it down real far. You can still see some of it, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to get it all the way down. So we're getting the truck ready to paint. Woo! So Steven wanted a white Blazer to start with, and bought this one, and then decided, you know what, it's time. It's time. So paint it white. Yep, he sanded all of the well, the bed liner down. Well, he sanded it smoother. Yeah. So it'll still show like a bed liner texture, but it won't take your skin off anymore.
Yep. And so we're gonna work on getting it all taped up tonight, and probably maybe try and get the paint booth set up in the shop tonight. So a lot of time lapse coming up. Guys, sorry I wasn't here for this. Look how cool! Steven has created a paint booth in our shop. Get over here. Woo! Look how cool! Steven,
Okay.
tell us about this.
This was our granddad's, or granddaddy, Houston Golf.
Our mom's dad.
Yeah. There's no telling how old this thing is. Still have the original box over there, but it still works. It's a fits and fits 007.
James Bond shit.
So I've used it 2 or 3 times. Painted a golf cart. I think I painted 2 golf carts actually. That's about all I've used it. There ain't no time how much they've used it on deer stands with Uncle Randy and motorcycles with Granddaddy. But
cool.
Last couple times I've used it, you just make sure you clean the crap out of it.
Yeah.
So
that's how things last for a long time. That's awesome, dude.
I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try to mix paint with that right there. Oh, glorious. How cool looking. We're gonna fill it up to 16 ounces. And I got my 2 ounces of reducer here. So pouring a gallon's gonna suck. Gonna put the reducer in there. Woo, it's in there now. Ain't no turning back now. Oh! Sorry, got cut. Oh, that hurt so bad. Woo! Youch! Jesus!
That'll get you to your soul. Oh, racing stripes. Ooh, guys, look at this thing.
By no means it will be perfect. I don't care.
But it'll all be one color.
Somebody will talk shit.
All right, guys. First layer of paint is down.
Real thin.
Real thin. Steven has decided to go ahead and purchase a new gun, just because we don't want to have any issues with that one. So we have filled that with paint thinner. What?
That's all. I've seen something fall.
Oh, and
you want to go wash it out?
Yep, and wash it out. Always take care of that tool, because you never know when you're going to be giving it to your grandkids 25 years later. So. There you go. All right, y'all. Hang on. Here we go. We gotta give them the show. Hang on.
Do not judge me on my paint job, because I don't give a shit. It's gonna work. It's now white. Look, it's gonna look so good. One good thing about taking all this shit down, I can see where I'm been at.
Yeah.
Right here on the bottom of the door. A lot of fucking plastic.
Dude, that's awesome.
I was hoping it'd hide the bond a little bit better, but it did not.
What are you doing, Steven?
Try and get some of the nasty funk off this one.
Ooh. It already looks better.
I know, it looks better. That's what it looked like. That's what it's going to be.
Wow. Yeah.
A lot of polishing.
It's gonna look so good. Dude.
just before anybody gets an idea, we do not. I don't want to paint your vehicle.
Nope.
At all, or body work. I sure will not do your body work. So I don't like it. I don't want to do it. I did it on mine because it was cheap.
Yep. All right, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Keep up with everything coming. It's probably the last video for the Blazer for a little bit.
Hopefully somebody buys it.
Yep. And then Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that crap. We're everywhere.
Podcast.
Yep, podcast. I forgot about it because I hadn't done one of them in a month. All right. See you.